Habitat loss can lead to habitat fragmentation, which is the breaking apart of continuous habitat into smaller patches. Habitat loss can also lead to a decrease in overall habitat area. As habitat loss continues to accelerate globally, studies have shown that habitat loss negatively impacts many ecological processes. My name is Emily Flora. I'm a senior biology student here at Holy Family, and I intern under Dr. Carroll. Together, we have been studying the effects of habitat loss and fragmentation on predation rates using aquatic plants, Daphnia, and zebrafish. Aquatic plants and their structural complexity provide suitable refuge for allowing prey to persist with predators. However, decreases in habitat complexity and increases in habitat loss and fragmentation increase the frequency and success of predator attacks on prey. This negatively affects many species' interactions as well as their abundance. We tested these effects on predator-prey dynamics using aquatic plants arranged in different spatial configurations. We used 5 different spatial configurations of artificial aquatic plants and placed them in an aquarium-like habitat. The artificial aquatic plants acted as the refuge for the Daphnia from the zebrafish. We used 3 zebrafish and 20 Daphnia and allowed both the Daphnia and the zebrafish to acclimate to the habitat before running the trials. After 1 hour, we stopped the trials by removing the zebrafish from the habitat and then counted for any surviving Daphnia. In Figure 3, we see the different spatial configurations that were arranged, and it's important to note that all treatments have the same total area of aquatic plant. So we have 8 patches of 1, 4 patches of 2, 2 patches of 4, 1 patch of 8, and the 5th configuration had no artificial plant. So we see the results of these trials in Figure 4, which we have on the y-axis, we have Daphnia survivorship, and on the x-axis, we have the habitat configurations. And we see that survivorship is higher where there are more patches. So from these results, increased patchiness may provide a better refuge to the prey. Fragmentation without habitat loss, because we still have the same total area just in different patches, may not contribute to low prey populations. Predators may have a hard time finding prey in these fragmented habitats. These findings are supported by a previous study that found ladybird beetle predation on aphids decreased with more patchiness, increasing the aphid populations. Patches can also provide what are known as edges, and these edges are found to be more structurally diverse than habitat interiors, offering more refuge from predation. Zebrafish are also prey to larger animals, and they may not want to risk traveling from patch to patch to find prey. Going forward, next steps would be to examine whether refuge total area affects predation rates. Questions?